In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Trello. Whether you're organizing a simple to-do list or managing a complex project, Trello boards offer an intuitive and visual way to track your tasks. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to Trello.com. Once there, you'll want to look out for the login button, usually situated prominently on the home page. Clicking on this button will prompt you to sign in using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. You can sign up using your email or streamline the process by logging in with your Google account. This is a great option if you want to save some time and avoid remembering another password. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the board section, which can be found on the left side of your Trello homepage. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to create a new board. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be greeted with a box prompting you to name your board. Choosing a name that reflects the purpose of your board can be really helpful down the line, especially if you manage multiple boards. As part of the process, you'll need to select a workspace. Workspaces are essentially the organization hubs for your boards, grouping them by project or team. Carefully selecting the right workspace helps maintain an organized structure, particularly in collaborative environments. Next, you'll want to set the visibility of your board. This step determines who can see your board. You can set it to private, team visible, or even public, depending on the level of accessibility you desire for your board's content. Private restricts access to invited members only, team visible allows anyone in your team to view it, and public means anyone with the link can see it. Finally, all that's left to do is click the Create button. Voila! Your new board is ready and you can start adding lists and cards to flesh out your tasks and ideas. Alternatively, there's another quick way to create a board. Right in your board section, you'll notice a plus button. Clicking it brings up that familiar prompt to name your board, select the workspace, and set the visibility. This method is a handy shortcut for those already navigating their board area. Once again, after setting everything according to your preferences, click that Create button, and you're all set. Trello's flexibility in managing workflow allows for endless possibilities. Whether for personal use or team collaboration, mastering this simple process helps to make sure your projects are always on track. Happy organizing with Trello, and thank you for tuning in.